और अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे इस्लामाबाद, जहां तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग दे रही हैं।
The Prime Minister also reiterated Pakistan's full support for UAE's presidency for COP28. The two sides concluded a number of MOUs pertaining to investment cooperation in the sectors of energy, port operations projects, wastewater treatment, food security, logistics, minerals, and banking and financial services. During the visit to the state of Kuwait, the Prime Minister met the Crown Prince and the Prime Minister of Kuwait. The leaders expressed satisfaction at the trajectory of relations and agreed to remain in close contact to take forward and strengthen Pakistan-Kuwait ties. MOUs pertaining to investment cooperation in the sectors of IT, food security, minerals, mangrove-based expansion, and water management were signed during the visit. Foreign Minister Jalil Abbas Gilani visited Brussels this week to attend the International Conference on a Global Alliance to Counter Migrant Smuggling. At the conference, the Foreign Minister emphasized the importance of addressing the root cause of irregular migration and called on the developed countries to offer safe, highlighting the importance of protecting migrants' rights. He also outlined Pakistan's proactive legal and administrative measures to curb illegal migration and human smuggling. In his meetings with EU officials and participants and parliamentarians, the Foreign Minister focused on mutually beneficial cooperation in climate change, food security, green technologies, artificial intelligence, and GSP+. Yesterday, Pakistan and China held the fourth round of maritime consultations in Islamabad. The consultations were co-chaired by Director General China, Muhammad Amir Khan, and Deputy Director General Wang Jinfeng of the two Ministries of Foreign Affairs. The two sides discussed bilateral maritime cooperation and agreed to further enhance cooperation in the maritime domain. This week, Pakistan was elected with overwhelming support as Vice Chair of UNESCO Executive Board for the term 23 to 25 from the Asia-Pacific Group. We are grateful to all members of UNESCO for their overwhelming support and the trust reposed in Pakistan's candidature. Also this week, the people of Pakistan joined the international community in observing the International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. We reaffirm our support for our Palestinian brothers and sisters in this time of great ordeal and trauma for the Palestinian people. We are disappointed that after a brief pause, Israel has restarted bombing the Palestinian people. The temporary pause offered a crucial respite to the suffering people of Gaza and allowed exchange of prisoners. Pakistan reiterates its call for a durable and sustained ceasefire to enable supply of extensive and robust humanitarian assistance, urgent medical aid to the injured, and shelter to those who have been displaced as a result of indiscriminate and inhumane bombing campaign by Israeli occupation forces. We are deeply concerned at the escalating.
आपको बता रहे हैं कि इस्लामाबाद में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग दे रही थीं। और अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मज़ीद खबरों और अपडेट्स के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट bolnews.com और देखते रहिए बोल न्यूज़।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।